And let's go ahead and plop that guy on there. Look at how rich and nice that looks there. What's going on, guys? Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own Starbucks pumpkin spice mocha. Fall is in full swing. And to be honest with you, I don't really feel like paying $5, $50, $6 for a tall, maybe $8 for a venti. I want to make it myself and I want to make it for cheap, but I want to make it good. So first thing we got here is let's go ahead and look at our coffee. We're going to start with pumpkin spice coffee. If you do not want caffeine, make it a decaf. It doesn't have to be pumpkin spice. You can alter it to a regular Italian blend. Obviously, this video is for pumpkin spice, but if you don't like that spice, then make your own mocha. It's the same exact thing. It just depends on the flavor of coffee. You have your little Starbucks pod here. You can also do a reusable pod like this, so you can buy the pumpkin spice Starbucks already grounded. I have one of these. This actually is a 2.0, so I'm actually going to have to take this, put it in this one, plop it in there. Next up, you either can do even cheaper and you can go with Trader Joe's pumpkin spice coffee. This is excellent, by the way. You would need, obviously, for the Starbucks, to feel like you're actually drinking Starbucks, you need a nice little 20-ounce venti cup. And you're like, how do I get that? Walk into a Starbucks, ask for a water, and they're going to give you this. And I just reuse this. I only do this on Sundays because it's very calorie rich, but makes it fun. So 2 packets of hot chocolate, 99 cents for 6 packets. I actually get the ones with the marshmallows. 2 packets because you want it nice and rich. And I do 2% lactose-free milk, but obviously 2% regular milk if you want it non-fat. If you want it extreme fat, I'll leave that up to you, but we're not going to use too much of that. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to brew your coffee, but we don't want it hot. We will blend all this together, so let me show you what we do. Again, it doesn't have to be a Keurig. I do about 8 ounces if you're making a pot of coffee with the grounded pumpkin spice or grounded pumpkin spice Trader Joe's. Then just brew up an actual pot and then pour 1 glass. But I like this because you can do single cup if not a lot of people are, and you don't have to waste your coffee as well. So 8 ounces here in my coffee cup. Now the next step, if you have the time, go ahead and just set this out until it cools down so it's not piping hot. I don't have the time and I want to enjoy it right now, but I don't want to dilute the coffee too much. So I have filled a cup with ice and I'm going to go ahead and pour this in, but I'm not going to let it sit there too much because that ice is going to melt. And so then I'm going to pour it in my NutriBullet. So after I pour it in here, before it melts, I have 6 ice cubes in my NutriBullet. You can use a Ninja, you can use a blender. I have 6 ice cubes in there. So once I do pour in here, let the ice cubes kind of do its thing for about maybe 15 seconds before they all melt. Then I'm going to put it in here. Just like this. Pour that bad boy on top. Nice and steamy all the way to the top. Ice cubes aren't going to melt that fast, but it's nice cooling down a little bit here. And we'll give it maybe just a little bit longer off camera. So probably about maybe 30 seconds total. Because the coffee wasn't hot anymore, I just used my hand. The original 6 ice cubes are still in here. You don't want too much ice, and then those ice cubes are still in that one there. So 6 ice cubes original in there. Your coffee is now cold, and it is in here. We're going to add the 2 packets of hot chocolate. 1 packet in, 2 packets in. Again, this stuff has the little marshmallows, which is really cool. All right, now we're going to go ahead and splash some milk in there. And again, I don't put too much. Let me go ahead and get this on camera. Just about right there worth, almost like it blends in some good creamer. Now you can do flavored creamer if you want. I wouldn't steer too far away from this recipe. The reason being is the flavored creamer is going to take away from the pumpkin spice. Now if you want just a mocha, crazy intense sweet flavors, I'll leave that up to you. All right, now finally, just a dash. There we go. It's not shaking too much out of there. Dash of cinnamon. Now let's go ahead and NutriBullet up. I run it for about 20 seconds. Go ahead and put some more ice cubes in your Starbucks glass and go ahead and serve it right over the ice cubes. And let's go ahead and plop that guy on there. Look at how rich and nice that looks there. All the way to the top. We even have a little bit extra. Oh, and frothy like that. That is deluxe. Well, folks, once again, that's how you do it. I've made this recipe again with regular mochas minus the pumpkin spice, but I just tasted it with the extra remaining in the NutriBullet, and that pumpkin spice just brings out the fallness. I love it. Delicious. Make your own. Thumbs it up. Let me know if you guys have tried different recipes, or if you have tried this recipe already. Let me know in the description box. If you would add anything to it, you can also do a little squirt of whipped cream, etc. Hit that thumbs up button to subscribe, guys. We got a lot more awesome videos on this channel. Check it out. Enjoy your pumpkin spice mocha for a lot cheaper than you would buying one of these bad boys. You guys have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.